Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make this awesome banana carrot bread. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So in a bowl, I'm gonna go in with 3 ripe bananas, and I'm gonna use a fork to just go ahead and crush my bananas. But if you guys have a potato masher at home, you can always go ahead and use your potato masher instead of the fork, all right? And we just want to crush these until they are smooth before we add the rest of the ingredients. All right, I also went ahead and shred up my carrot, and I'm using 1 carrot in today's recipe. All right, so guys, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Be sure to be creative in the kitchen. I tell you guys in every video to be creative, and remember to be you in the kitchen most of all. All right, so utilize whatever you have. So I'm gonna go in and add some vegetable oil, and I will also go in and add 2 eggs, and be sure to remove the eye from the egg. The eye is the white attachment to the yolk. You just take a spoon and you gently remove it. And I will also go in and add some brown sugar. I know some persons don't like to use brown sugar. They rather to use the granulated sugar. Well, it's optional. You can always use whatever sugar you have at home. All right. Combine all of that together because you want to give it a nice mix before you add the shredded carrot. All right. So once that is nicely mixed together, I'm going to go in and add the shredded carrot. Again, I'm using 1 large carrot for today's recipe, and I'm just going to nicely combine all of that together, and then I'm going to go ahead and add this to a larger bowl. All right. For the dry ingredients, the flour, the cinnamon powder, the nutmeg, the baking soda, the baking powder, the salt, I went ahead and combined all of that goodness together. Again, you want everything to be evenly distributed, all right? So I'm going to bake this for roughly about 45 minutes at 200 degrees, all right? So this is it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in and add my dry ingredients. Again, the dry ingredients is the flour, the nutmeg, the cinnamon powder, the baking soda, and the baking powder. All right. And you just want to go ahead and do the cut and fold method for this. All right. So what I did, I went ahead and add half of the flour first, and then I'm going to add the next half. All right. So once the first half is nicely folding, then I'm going to go in and add the rest of the flour and combine all of that goodness together before I add the vanilla and the mixed spice that is in the liquid form. All right. Or any water. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and add my vanilla flavoring, and then I'm going to add my mixed spice, and my mixed spice is in a bottle, so I'm going to go in and add that, and I will also add some water. But if you guys have thing there at home, if you have coconut milk at home that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so, but I couldn't be bothered to mix up all of that coconut milk, so I decided to just add water, all right? And you don't want the mixture to be too watery, so you have to be careful, all right? Again, guys, all of my recipes act as a guide, all right? So you can always substitute and add what you want, all right? Just in case. I also went ahead and add my palm spray to my Pyrex dish that I'm going to bake this in. I went ahead and sprayed it up nicely because, listen, I don't want my bread to stick. I want it to come out nicely. All right, so this is the mixture, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour it out in my Pyrex dish, bake it as I said for 45 minutes at 200 degrees, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. And you just want to go ahead and give this a nice shake just to remove any bubbles. All right, so guys, after 45 minutes, this is my banana carrot bread looking all lovely. So I'm going to allow this to cool down a bit before I cut into it and show you guys the final product. All right, so here you have it, the final product. It's not really cool, but listen, a girl is hungry and a girl gotta do what she has to do, okay? So this is the bottom. As you can see, it comes out nicely and it didn't stick. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut into this, and basically this is the final product. You guys can always go ahead and serve this up with some cheese, or you can just have it by itself, or you can just have it with some fried fish, whatever you choose. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out. And listen, remember to check the description box for all of the ingredients used, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. And guys, remember to subscribe, leave a comment and like, and let me know what you think about this awesome recipe. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.